Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 26th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -3.11%. This equates to an average loss of -0.62% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $302.32 be breached, it would initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 32.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 26.54% to 68.71%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 22.06%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -5.56% and +105.39% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $298.10 and $648.31. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline: Tesla stock price ended at $315.65 on Wednesday, after gaining 4.97%. The Tesla stock price gained 4.97% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, rising from $300.71 to $315.65. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.28%, reaching a low of $303.82 and a high of $316.83. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.22% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 24 million shares, with a total of 119 million shares bought and sold for approximately $37.51 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume in the face of rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 35.39% or $172.89 below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's recent quarterly vehicle deliveries exceeded 384,000, but they still represent a challenging 13.5% decline year over year, raising eyebrows among analysts. Ed Butowski notably called the stock grossly overpriced, reflecting concerns over demand, particularly as competition heats up with new foreign entrants in the United States electric vehicle market. Despite missing some analysts' estimates, Wall Street remains surprisingly unfazed, signaling a mix of confidence and caution about the company's future. However, market dynamics are shifting, particularly with Tesla intertwined in broader technology trends. The dominance of a few companies in artificial intelligence and technology raises questions about sustainability. Additionally, investor sentiment is being tested by political controversies involving Elon Musk, with some, like investor Ross Gerber, labeling this as potentially detrimental. In the short term, these factors may exert downward pressure on Tesla's stock, especially as they face increased competition and uncertainties in demand. Yet, the company's focus on transitioning to full self-driving software could be a strategic lifeline, suggesting a pivot that investors are keenly watching. As Tesla navigates these challenges, its ability to innovate and adapt will be critical in determining its long-term trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Tesla a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tesla stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be observed closely. Some negative signals were also issued, and these could influence short-term developments. Tesla stock currently has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $321.64 and $331.25. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 13.02%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger has provided a buy signal from 99 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presents a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $272.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this case, if Tesla breaks the support at $284.70, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $272.20 and $252.40. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $13.01 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.28%. In the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 4.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $430 million. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $284.70. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On that day, Zhu Xiaotong conducted another insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 6,538 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider purchase of 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider cover to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.142. Overall, insiders purchased 1,117,872 shares and sold 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Currently, Tesla stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of July, we predict that Tesla will open lower by $3.55, starting at $312.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to be responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.